Hello children, in this video we are going to start exercise 12.2 question number 6. In previous video you might have seen and learned those solutions up to question number 4 and 5. Let us start question number 6. The question is here: an umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of 2 different colors. Figure is in the question in the textbook, you can refer it. So, how is that? There are 10 triangular pieces of cloth used in umbrella, but that out of 10, 2 colors are there. That means each color will be 5. Let us keep these things in mind. Then each piece measuring 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? That is the question. So, diagram actually no need to draw if we can understand, but just want to show you in order to make your concept clear. This way it is 1, 2, 3, suppose say one more 4 and then one more 5. Of course, here showing 5 triangular part I am showing in the diagram, but remember there are 10 triangular pieces. 10 are there, 5 of same color, another 5 of another same color. Hope you have understood the situation in the question. So, let us start the solution of it. We start an umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces, 10 triangular pieces of cloth. Of 2 different colors, So, this is the situation in this question, and then each triangular piece has the same dimension. What are that? Each piece measuring 20, 50, 50 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. So, we have to find out how much cloth of each color is used. So, what shall we do? First we will find out area of one triangular piece, and then we can find out, after area of one triangular piece we can find out as many triangular pieces area, and then 2 different color we will divide that is later. So, let us calculate first using Hero's formula. First part of that semi perimeter 20 plus 50 plus 50, perimeter half of that semi perimeter 120 by 2, we find here semi perimeter 60. Remember, we are finding now how much cloth is used in one triangular piece. Therefore, area of one triangular piece of cloth, we will use the same formula what we have been using, S into S minus A and all, S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. You are now well familiar with this formula. We put these values. Semi perimeter 60 we have got, 60 minus first side 20, 60 minus 50, another third side is also 60 minus 50 third side, semi perimeter 60 third side. Let us continue calculating it. 60 minus 20, 60, next 60 minus 20 40, 60 minus 50 10, again 60 minus 50 10. So, 60 what we can do, 2 3s are 6 into 10, let it be 10 because another 10 also we will keep, 40, 2 2s are 4, into 10 and 10 10 it will remain. Why to factorize 10 when another 10 also there are? So, 2 2 2 is out, again these 2 remain single, 3 also remain single, let it be 10 into 10 we can take out 110, another 10 10 also 10 and under root remains 6. So, 10 tens are 100 into 2, 200 root 6 centimeter square is the area of one triangular piece of cloth. And how many triangular pieces are there? 10 triangular pieces are there. So, there are 10 triangular pieces of cloth of two different color. This is the question. By stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of two different colors. So, let us mention that condition. There are 10 triangular pieces of cloth. One triangular piece 200 root 6 area, 10 pieces. So, what will be the total area of the cloth? Total area of cloth used in the umbrella. Used in the umbrella 10 into 200 root 6. I hope this is easy for you all. So, we got 2000 root 6 centimeter square. 10 triangular pieces 2000 root 6 centimeter square of cloth was used, but colors are 2. So, for each color there will be 5 triangular pieces. There are 2 color of cloths used. There are 2 different color cloth, we can write different color cloth used in it, mean in the umbrella. Therefore, for each color the cloth used in the umbrella will be 2000 root 6 is for 10 pieces and there are 2 colors, that means 2000 root 6 divide by 2, 2 ones are 0 0 0. Each color cloth is used in the umbrella is 1000 root 6 centimeter square. So, once more there are 10 pieces of cloths, each color of 2 different color, we found the semi perimeter, we calculated the area of one triangular piece, that is 200 root 6, there are 10 pieces. So, 10 into 200 root 6, 2000 root 6 centimeter square and 2 different colors are there. For each color surely will be half half. So, we divided the total area of cloth by 2 and each color cloth is 1000 root 6 centimeter square used in the umbrella. Let us see the next question. So, let us see question number 7 now, one of the important question of this exercise. A kite is in the shape of a square with a diagonal 32 centimeter and an isosceles triangle of base 8 centimeter and side 6 centimeter each is to be made of 3 different shades as shown in figure 12.18. Figure is mentioned in the textbook along with the question. How much paper of each color shade has been used in it? So, a kite is there, but condition is what? It is in the shape of a square. This is a square and then figure is mentioned like this. This is triangle 1, this is triangle 2, this is triangle 3. 3 parts are there and in all 3 parts different color paper has to be used. Suppose this triangle is of same color, then that is figure 1, triangle 1 we can say, figure 2 has different color, and then figure 3 also is of different color. So, we have to find how much area of paper used for each color. That means, all 3 portion area we have to calculate, area of triangle 1, area of triangle 2 and also area of triangle 3. Of course, when we read the question, what we find, a kite is in the shape of a square. So, let us start with that. A kite is in the shape of a square of diagonal. Diagonal is given. How much is the diagonal? 32 centimeter. So, what do we know about? Let us, we will see another part later. First, let us talk about this part, the diagonal of a square. If this figure is a square, the diagonals of the square are equal. We need to remember. So, these two will be the diagonal of square and they will be equal. In rhombus, it does not happen. It happens only in a square. The diagonals of a square are equal. How many diagonals it will have? 2 diagonals, and both diagonals will be equal in a square. All right, we came to know that both will be 32, 32. Then another part of the triangle is question is what? And an isosceles triangle of base 8 centimeter. We see this isosceles triangle of base, this is 8 centimeter, and each side is how much? And the side 6 centimeter each. So, this is isosceles triangle, this side is mentioned 8. So, another side equal side 6, 6. So, very clearly we will use Hero's formula and find the area, but not only for this part, for all 3, triangle 1, triangle 2, triangle 3, how much paper will be used, we have to calculate. Anyway, let us complete this condition first. And an isosceles triangle and an isosceles triangle of base 8 centimeter, base 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter and side 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter each. Okay, this is the condition. We go now. So, when we go, first we see figure 1 and figure 2 combined, the whole figure, this part we see. What is this? This is a square. What is the area of a square? I feel that when I ask you area of a square, the very common formula it will come to your mind, side square. But here side is not mentioned in the question. We know very common formulas, area of a square is equal to side square, but here instead of side, diagonals are given. One diagonal is given, both are diagonal equal. So, area of a square we will use here, half into diagonal square. Remember this formula? Area of a square equal to side square we will use when side is given. Here diagonal is given. So, we will use half into diagonal square in order to calculate the area of that square shape, figure 1 and 2 combined. So, half diagonal is how much? 32, 32, 2 ones are 2 16s are. Now, let us multiply 16 2s are 32, 16 3s are 48 and 3, 48 and 3 51. So, we get 512 centimeter square is the area of which portion? This is square portion. And also, if we talk about one diagonal of a square, the diagonal of a square divide it into 2 congruent triangles. Remember this all the property, otherwise all of a sudden you will see this triangle area is equal to this triangle area. How? We do not know the reason, we will be simply wondering why it is happening. That is the property of the diagonal of a square. What is that? Once more, the diagonal, one diagonal, the diagonal of a square divide the square into 2 congruent triangle. That means exactly equal triangles. So, their area will be equal. So, we can write area of triangle 1. Okay, area of triangle we will write in words, full words. Area of triangle 1 will be equal to area of triangle 2, and total area is how much? 512. So, this will be equal to 512 by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. That means, in triangle 1 and triangle 2 of this color, paper will be 256 centimeter square, 256 centimeter square. So, we can write area of paper required in shape 1 and shape 2. Therefore, area of paper used or required, area of paper required in shape 1 and shape 2 is 256 centimeter square. So, this part we calculated. Now, remaining this isosceles triangle. In triangular portion, we find one side 6, another side 6 and third side 8. So, we will go now in for third shaded portion or for figure 3, for third shaded portion or figure 3 also we can mention. Here we will use semi perimeter 6 plus 6 plus 6, 8. 6, 6, 12, 8, 20, 20 by 2, 2 ones are 0, 10 centimeter is the semi perimeter. So, area of figure 3 or we can say area of triangle 3, whatever, we will use Hero's formula. If necessary, you write here that formula or you straight go using the values, and we get it here 10 minus 6, 10 minus 6, another side is also 6, third side is 10 minus 8. We will get this 10 into 4 into 4 into 2. 10 we can factorize, 2 5s, 4 4, no need to factorize, already 2 numbers are there, same number we can take out. So, what will come out? 2 2, 2, 4 4, 4. But root 5 will remain under root. Finally, we get 8 root 5 centimeter square is the area of this isosceles triangle. And now, that root 5 we need to get the correct value, root 5 we need to get the square root. So, let us start. Here we will see first square root of 5 by 2, 2 2s are 4, 1, decimal 0 0, 2 will be added also 4. So, 2 we can write, 42 into 2 will be 84, 6 1, continue adding, which number you divide the same number you have to add 4, 2 zeros will come 3 times, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 1 13, 1 7, 5 minus 3 2, still 3 you add, 4 4 6, 2 zeros will come. So, 4 27 is here 6 times, no, it will become more 5 times. So, let it be what we got 2.235 and here it is 8 into root 5, that is 2.235. We will take the next to the second digit because third digit is 5 and then multiply 8 4s are 32, 8 2s are 16, 3 19, 8 2s are 16, 1 17. So, this is the paper area of paper required for third shaded portion, second and first shaded portion 256 each will be required. The solution is easy, little long solution, and important part is to get the square root of 5 and then we get the exact value exact area of the paper used. So, let us see now the next question. So, now we are in question number 8. Let us see that question is a floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles which are triangular. The sides of the triangle being 9 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 35 centimeter. Figure is mentioned in the question. So, I will not draw that figure here. We just make on the floor some design of this kind suppose. So, 16 are there, a floral design, a floral design is made up of 16 tiles, made up of 16 tiles which are triangular in shape. Triangular in shape. So, this is the condition here, and dimension is what? The dimension, the sides of triangle, are 9, 28, 35 centimeter, 28 and 35 centimeter. So, we go for finding area of 1. Question is here, find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paise per square meter. Cost only after knowing how much area we are going to work, on how much area we will work. So, we go for semi perimeter, 9 plus 28 plus 35 divide by 2, 5, 8, 39, 22, 3 to 5 to 7, 72 by 2, we will get 36 semi perimeter, and then area of, therefore, area of one tile we are calculating, one tile, rest we will see 16 tiles multiplying by 16. We use Hero's formula, you know all that, and then we use this value what we have calculated, semi perimeter 36, 36 minus first side 9, 36 minus second side 28 and 36 minus third side 35. Continue this calculation, 36 minus 9, 16 minus 9, 7, 2, 27, 36 minus 28, 8, 36 minus 35, 1. So, 36, 6 into 6, 27, 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 8, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 1 square root of 1 is 1 only. So, 6 6 6 comes out, 3 3 3 comes out, 3 is alone, this 2 2 2 comes out, remaining what? 3 2s are 6. So, 6 3s are 18, 2s are 36 root 6 is centimeter square is the area of one tile. How many tiles are used? 16 triangular tiles are used in that. So, we will go for area of 16 triangular tiles. Therefore, area of 16 triangular tiles. Surely 16 into area of one tile. We will get 16 6 are 96, 9, 16 3s are 48, 9, 57, 576 root 6 centimeter square is the total area we are going to paint or polish. The cost is what? 50 paise per centimeter square. The cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paise, very important, it is not rupees, remember it is paise per centimeter square. So, 50 paise first we need to convert into 100. So, into rupees dividing by 100 into 576 root 6, 0 0 we can cut, 5 1s are 5 2s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 1 came here, 2 8s are 16, 1 came here, 2 8s are 16. We get 288 into root 6. So, here we got 288 root 6, this much. This is the cost of polishing 16 tiles at the rate of 50 paise per square meter, centimeter square. But 288 root 6 rupees, we need to find the cost in exact amount. Root 6, if we are saying, it is not easily to be understood. So, what shall we do? We will go for calculating square root of 6. Let us see what we get square root of 6. 6 by 2 we can divide, 2 2s are 4, 2 remains, 2 will be added, 4, 2 0 decimal we put, 2 0 we bring here at this step 4 times, 4 4s are 16, 4 4 are 16 1 17, we get here 9 minus 6 3, 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 7 2, then 4 is added at this step, we get 48, 2 zeros will be here, 4 times again, 4 we will put, 484 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 4 8s are 32, 1 33, 3, 4 4s are 16, 3 19, we get 4, 9 minus 3 6, 13 minus 9 4. One more digit we will go in order to get the value 4 4 8 8 4. 2 zeros will come, we find here 46, here 4. So, 9 times, let us see. So, 9 times we do not need to divide completely, only our aim is here to find the third digit is 5 or less than 5 or more than 5, because we know if it is coming third digit is 5 or more than 5, that we will change the next digit 2.45. If the third digit is remaining less than 5, second digit will remain same. So, for that only we are going till 3 decimal places. So, we will use the value 2.45 and then we have to multiply now. This is your rough work portion, but very important. Now, 288 into 245, we will multiply, 8 5s are 40, 8 5s are 44, 5 2s are 10, 4 14, 8 4s are 32, 8 4s are 32, 3 36, 35, 8 4s are 32, 8 4s are 32, 3 35, 3 4 2s are 8, 3 11. Again, for 8 2s are 16, 8 2s are 16, 1 17, 2 2s are 4 1 5. So, we get here 0 4 2 6, 4 5 9 6 15, 2 3 7 10, 5 1 6 1 7. So, we are getting rupees 70560. After 2 digit we put decimal and we find the cost of polishing 16 triangular tiles at rate of rupees 50 paise per centimeter square. This is the step we need to be careful, because paise is to be converted into rupees and we divide by 100. So, be careful while calculating the cost. Rest of the part is very easy. Starting, the dimensions of tile is given, we calculate the area of one tile and we go in 16 tile area and then we calculate the cost. Hope you have understood. 1 or 2 questions from this exercise is still remaining, we will see it in next video.